So here are word meanings of chapter number 3, the story of Akash. First word is awful, very bad or unpleasant. See, you need not to learn the sentence of this word meaning, just read it out so that the meaning of the word will be clear to you. Awful means very bad or unpleasant. The pain in his stomach was awful, right? The pain was very bad. It was not pleasant. Unpleasant means which was not pleasant. Next is crouched. Put one's body close to the ground by bending legs, right? एक तरह से दुबक कर बैठना. जब हम दुबक कर बैठते हैं तो कैसे बैठते हैं? पुट वंस बॉडी क्लोज टू द ग्राउंड, नीचे दुबक कर बैठ जाते हैं ना, बेंडिंग आवर लेग्स. सी, नूपुर क्राउच नियर द रोज प्लांट वाइल प्लेइंग हाइड एंड सीक. वाइल प्लेइंग हाइड एंड सीक, Nupur crushed herself, right? Next one is dilly-dallying. Dilly-dallying, taking too long to do something, right? Taking too long time to do something, right? Rohan did not want to waste time dilly-dallying about the purchase of the car, right? He didn't take so much time. He didn't want to waste time, right? Next one is echoed. Echoed means गूंजना, कोई चीज़, कोई आवाज़ गूंजना. जब हम हिली एरिया में जाते हैं, we make some sound, that sound will repeat. So this is called echo. The sound that was reflected. Reflected means reflection. Sound that was reflected off the wall or open space. When we go to the open space or some hilly area, that sound will repeat. That is called echoed. My voice echoed in the huge empty hall. Clear? Next one is errand. A job that involves going somewhere to take things to do something. See, my mother has sent him on an errand. Errand होता है किसी दूत कार्य के लिए भेजना, किसी काम के लिए भेजना. A job that involves going somewhere and to take things to do something. कोई काम करने के लिए भेजना, जैसे आपकी मदर आपको भेजते हैं ना. His mother has sent him on an errand. Errand means to go somewhere. उसे कहीं भेजा गया to do something. Next is expensive. It's not expensive. अगर यहाँ PAN की जगह PEN होता, that means costly. But it expansive is a word that is taken from the expanded. Expanded मतलब कोई चीज़ को expand करना और ज़्यादा बढ़ाना, right? A wide and open area. Next is frail. Frail means weak. He is a frail kind of person. He is a weak person. Next is gazed. Gazed का मतलब होता है to look someone continuously. किसी को लगातार देखना. Looked steadily at something for a long time. That is called gaze. Next is gruel. A simple dish made by boiling oats in milk or water. Oats को पानी या फिर दूध में उबालना. That dish is called gruel. Next is herded. As you know that a group of sheep is called a herd, na? Right? Mate animals move together as a group. That is called herded. You have to learn these 10 word meanings only and write it down in your fair notebook, word meaning only. No need to write down the sentence. Okay, beta? Now we will do the next word meaning also. We just read it out. Menacing, seeming likely to cause harm. For example, a lion is standing before us, then he is roaring, he is growling, then आपको कैसा लगेगा? अगर वो आपके सामने खड़ा है, शेर दहाड़ रहा है, तो ऐसा लगेगा ना, he is looking menacing. Menacing means seeming likely to cause harm. ऐसा लग रहा है कि हमें हार्म पहुंचाने की कोशिश करेगा, ऐसा लग रहा है. Miracle, an extraordinary event that cannot be explained by any scientific laws. Miracle, I hope you have heard this word. Miracle, अजूबा. An extraordinary event जिसका कोई scientific reason नहीं है, right? Next one is mumbling, saying something that cannot be heard or understood. To say something जिसे सुना नहीं जा सकता, just like whispering करना, धीरे धीरे किसी के कान में कुछ बोलना जिसे सुन नहीं सकते और समझ भी नहीं सकते। नेक्स्ट इज़ पेट्रीफाइड। पेट्रीफाइड मीन्स एक्सट्रीमली फ्राइटेंड। एक्सट्रीमली फ्राइटेंड मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा डरा हुआ।